We'll guide you through how to download and install the Epic Games Launcher. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With the Epic Games Launcher, you can go and access Epic Games games. To get started, what you want to do is go and open up any web browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Then what we can do is click on the search here and we can go and type in Epic Games like so and come to the Epic Games site, which is store.epicgames.com. Here we are. Head to the top right and there you'll go and see the option for download, which you can go and click on, and the launcher is now going to go and download. Depending upon your browser, you can see the progress. Then what we can do is come out of the browser and you need to come to your file explorer. You can right click on it and press downloads, or just open it up and press downloads on the left. Then go and find the installer and you want to go and double click on it. Shortly it's going to go and open. Here it is. You can go and change the install path here and you can go and press install like so. You'll get a security pop-up you need to agree to and it will run through. During the install process, you may get a few security pop-ups you need to agree to, and then here we are. We need to go and sign in, so you can go and sign in here with an email and password or a platform. If you don't have an account, press create account at the bottom. I've now signed in and I need to read and agree the end user license agreement, which I already have, and I can then press accept. You can go and choose the install location. This is where games are going to go and be installed to. So you can then go and press install here. I'll just press cancel for now. You can now start using the store. So on the left, you can press store and browse through different games. And what you can also do is head to your library, and I've already got a game in here. For example, with Fortnite, I could click on it and start the install process and get it on my computer.